Welcome to part one of our sixth video, in which we're focusing on building a MailerLite integration with Bubble. In this video, we're going to be exploring the groups endpoints, in which it's going to allow us to add people to a group automatically. If this is the first video that you're watching, we have recorded six other videos before this one, and we go from setting up the basic stuff in your MailerLite account to setting up your Bubble API to setting up the subscribers endpoints. So I would recommend you to go back and watch those before you watch this one. But regardless, this will be a good video for you to understand how to set up the groups endpoints. Out of 7 endpoints, we're going to be doing 5 of them today. And in part 2, we're going to be putting them into practice. If you want to get all 7 of them, they will be available in the template that we have built and is in the Power Marketplace. So if this is something that you need or you would like to get, feel free to go to the Power Marketplace. For $49, you're saving over 24 hours of research and development. And all you have to do is copy and paste these endpoints into your project. This is less than $2 an hour that we're charging for it, and you're getting it for a really good deal. Otherwise, you can watch the video and get the instructions on how to get them done. It's relatively simple, but if you don't want to spend the time and the effort, then definitely that's a great deal in my opinion. But again, I'm biased. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to list our groups. So just like before, we're going to copy the name of the call and we're going to paste it here. Let me make sure that oops, oh. So we're going to paste there. We're going to go back, and this is a get type. So get, all we want to do is we want to bring the data. We're going to leave as data, and we're going to paste the link. It doesn't require any parameters. You can send all of these parameters, and basically all you will have to do is parameters here. And we're going to initialize this call, and the error code should be 200. Yep, 200. And that means that we're good to go. So we got the very first one done. We're going to move on to the next one. The next one is going to be an endpoint to create a groups, which will allow you to create a group from your Power installation. Again, we're going to, and please notice that this is a post type. So we're going to change it to post, and this is going to be an action because we want to create it. And there is a parameter that we have to send, which is the name. And it's not going to be private. The name for this is going to be, let's see, demo. And let's make sure that we have a thing. Yeah, demo template. And in order to make sure that it went through, we're going to go back and we're going to refresh this page, and it should appear here. And the error code is 201. We're good. Anything in the 200s again is good. We're going to refresh this page, and there we have it. Demo template. It was created a few seconds ago. We're good to go. That one is good as well. Now we're going to have the update group, which is the put type. And the next call is going to be update group. This is going to be an action. This is going to be a put type. And we're going to add this here. We're going to reinitialize this code. Reason why is because 23. We're going to save the body because we would want to use the body on this one so we can reference one. And that's where you will copy the body. This is done automatically in the next video that we're going to show you. We're going to include the errors. We set up brackets here so we can use the parameter later on. And Let's see. And we need to send a name as a parameter. So this one is going to be demo 2023-09, the second, which is today's date. As you can see here, you got demo template 2023. That will change to demo 2023-09-22. Send this data. And let's make sure that it is. Yep, down here, demo 2023-09-22. So we're good on that. The next one is going to be delete group. Copy the title. Add another call. Delete group. This is action. This is going to be test. Bracket here. Bracket there. ID, we're going to delete the same initialize. Yeah, error code 204. Let's make sure that we did it. And yep, it's not there anymore. So we're good to go. And the last one we're going to do is we're going to get subscribers that belong to a group. So we're going to do another one after this one. Let's start this. There's no reason for them to be open. So we're going to get this. It's a get request. And what we want is that. What we want to do is we want to put some brackets here. Group ID, we're going to initial our actually. We're going to get subscribers from this group and initialize error code 200. We're good to go on that one. Last call that we're going to do is we're going to assign subscribers to a group. So we're going to copy the title, paste it. This is going to be an action. It's going to be a post request. The reason why I wanted to do this one is because of one reason. These have two different parameters in the URL. And I wanted to show you that sometimes you will have more than one parameter, and that's fine. All you have to do is make sure that you add the brackets to that. And that way, it's the group ID. We're going to create a new user. The idea is that this user will get assigned automatically. All you have to do is send the right data and go. And that's the importance on saving on the subscriber ID to your database. All you have to do is MailerLite ID field and test and save it as the user signed up into your website, just like we did in the video before. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time and sitting down here and watching this video. It really means a lot. If I can ask for a request, I ask that you please help others find this video. And the best way you can do that is by, if you are watching on YouTube, make sure that you like and comment on this video, share it with others. If you're watching on Twitter, all I ask is that you please leave a comment. It helps amplify on the post to reach other people. Next video will show you how to put in practice all of these endpoints. And after that video, all we're doing is one more, which will be the automation endpoints. And from there, we will be done. All of the endpoints will be in the template that is in the Bubble Marketplace. It costs $49. If you want to use the plugin, is $15. And that will give you most of the endpoints as well. I believe we had created 25 endpoints so far. our plan is to add every single endpoint to the plugin and the template as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can leave them down in the comments below, or you can send me an email at jvasquez@hustlinglabs.com. Again, my email address is jvasquez@hustlinglabs.com. And I would love to answer any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.